guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi and I hope you're doing really fine. We are already on the day 6 of the Navratri series and we are so close to finish this up. And for today, as you can see, the theme is green and I have kept this super glam, a simple kind of look. Okay, fine, it's not that simple, but it is simple. Okay, so if you want to know how I get this look, what products I use, then please continue watching. And before then, don't forget to check out the bottom bar because I've linked down all the products that I've used in this video are linked down below. And also, if you haven't seen my previous videos as well of this Navratri series, then go check them out right now. So let's get started. So first things first, I have nothing on my face. I've moisturized my skin up. Now I'm gonna move straight towards the priming it up. So I'm gonna use the primer which is from Nykaa, and this is the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. I'm just gonna apply a pea-sized amount of it all over my face and start blending on the centers of my face, like on the T-zones area of mine, just to place a canvas before makeup. And also to add some hydration, I'm taking the Wet n Wild serum from the Wet n Wild serum. I'm just gonna place it all over my face because it's so good in hydration. I really love this one. I use it like in every single video of mine the day I've used mine. So yes, I'm gonna just spread it all over my face and it gives a nice kind of hydration. And now we move towards the foundation. For that, I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and now I'm just gonna dot it all over my face, just like a normal foundation that I do every single time. Also, don't forget to go on your neck just to have a even out blending. And now I'm gonna start blending it up with the help of a dumb beauty sponge. I can see that you guys are really liking this Navratri series, and if you want to know, if you want to enjoy some more stuff from these Navratri series, then do follow me on Instagram. I will be leaving all the handles below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. All the social media's handle are given in the description box, but I will mention on the screen as well. And now I'm moving towards my brows and taking the Etude House Drawing My Brows in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm just gonna start brushing my brows through it and start filling them up. I'm keeping it very natural but a little bit glam on the same side because I want them to be a little bit darker and more intense, because I want a really nice thick kind of brow. So I'm just filling them up really well. So I've came across a technique of setting my brows with the help of a mascara. You will see in few minutes. And now I'm taking the Kiko Milano Lengthening Mascara. Whatever is remaining on the brush, I'm just gonna dust it off and start brushing my brows with the really lightest amount of product just to settle it up. If you don't have any kind of brow gel available with you, you can do it with your mascara. You don't need to buy a brow gel separately. You can just fix your brows with this one as well. It fits really beautifully on the brows. Now moving to concealer, I'm taking the Kryolan Supra palette and in the shade NB1. I'm just gonna clean up the corners of my brows and also gonna paint the eyelids of mine. Okay, so if you're doing it, you have to be really patient and slow because you can go wrong with your brows really quick and it can cause a trouble. So you have to be really patient and slow with your motions. And I'm taking the same color all over my lid just to place a canvas because I'm gonna start my eye makeup with it. And I'm also taking this concealer on the inner corners of my eyes, on the outer corners of it, and just gonna do the same with the other eye as well. And I've just fast forward this part of the video just to save some time. And I'm also gonna go on the forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and around my mouth, and also on the hollows of my cheeks, because I have a little bit darkness over there. So I'm just gonna cover that up. And I'm going to start blending this up with the help of my Dunk Beauty blender. And I'm just gonna blend all it through. And after this, I'm gonna move on to setting up my face. For that, I'm taking the Fit Me Loose powder and just gonna dunk my damp beauty sponge and tapping it underneath my eyes and all over my face. And I'm gonna start powdering my face with it. Whatever is remaining on the sponge, I'm just taking all over my face because I'm not excess powdering, because it will make your face look ashy anyway. And I'm also taking to my eyelids because I'm going to start with my eye makeup. And I'm taking my VOV Professional eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this dark green shade right here. It's so pigmented and so beautiful. So I'm going to start with mixing it up above my crease line and just giving a nice blend of color through it. Keep on blending until I'm happy with the color intensity that I want. And yeah, so let me know that how you guys are doing these days, how you are spending your time. If you are office going, then how your office is going, and if you are sitting at home, then how you're spending your days. And I'm gonna just be a little faster with my other eyes just to save a little bit of time. And now I'm going to cut my crease and taking the Kryolan palette, and I'm taking the shade Ivory, and I'm just gonna taking a flat brush and start cutting off my crease. A lot of people ask me that how you do it, how you cut your crease or something else like that. So I just want to tell you guys that it all comes with practice. I didn't born with it, or I have done wrongly it like hundreds of times. I've tried it a lot of times, and after that I have came across to this one. So practice just makes a man perfect, and I really believe in that. So keep practicing in whatever you're doing and you will nail it. And it's not only about makeup, it's about everything you do in your life. I'm just gonna settle up my transition shade a little bit, and now I'm taking this bright green shade at the corner, and as you can see, it's so pigmented. I'm just gonna place it over the crease, over my lid where I've applied the concealer, and I'm just gonna place it and tap it, because you cannot drag the color, otherwise it's just gonna ruin the whole eyelid. So I'm just gonna tapping the color, packing the color off from my eyelid, and it just gives a very beautiful effect, that dark green and that bright green color. I'm so in love with this look. Like, it has been like one of my favorite looks that I've ever created in this Navratri series. And now I'm gonna just dust off the excess powder underneath my eyes, because it has done the baking process. So I'm just gonna remove that up, and whatever is left on my brush, I'm just gonna take it all over my face just to do a little bit of setting. And now I'm gonna move to contour, and for that I'm taking the Colorbar Flawless Touch Contour palette, and I'm just gonna taking very tad bit of amount. I'm just placing it like very giving it like a single tap and start doing it, because it's very pigmented product. So if you have this one, you have to be really careful with that. And yes, going on the usual areas, on the hollows of my cheeks, on my temples, and on the jawline, also on the forehead as well, and also contouring my nose. Now I'm taking the Rimmel Natural Bronzer, which is in a really bad condition. I'm just gonna soften my contour a little bit more, just to give my face a little bit of bronze and colored look, which I really love. I'm just gonna go over the jawline, on the forehead, on the temples of my eyes, and also on the forehead. And now I'm gonna taking the Colorbar waterproof liner, and I'm just gonna do a normal wing liner, not a very wing liner, but like a small wing kind of liner. Yeah. So I'm just gonna complete that up. And now I'm taking the Faces Canada, my favorite Magnetic Eyes mascara, and just gonna turn my lashes because I'm so in love with this one. Okay, this is not my natural speed of applying mascara. This is just a fast forward version of it. So be careful if you're applying mascara because you can hurt your eyes. Now I'm just gonna finish up this look with some lipstick and highlighter and come back. And this is the final look that I came up with for you guys. Hey guys, so thank you for watching this tutorial till this end. If you like this video, if you like this tutorial, if you like this look, then don't forget to give this look a thumbs up, and also don't forget to check out my previous videos as well. I will be linking them, all of them, in the description box below so that you don't miss out of anything. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy Navratri, and I love you all.